Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view. And it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, a real number, class 10 CBSE NCERT mathematics here. You know that is the most important MCQ here. The MCQ arrive here. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5, both inclusive is. You know that this question is most important for the exam view here. Question clear? The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5, both inclusive is A5, B60, C20, D100. Come on, test your knowledge first of all. I give you a few seconds for you this solution this question. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question. You know that this question is clear. The least number that is divisible by all the number from 1 to 5, both inclusive is. That's clear? You know that solution is clear here. First of all, 1 to 5, take a LCM. Take a LCM means is 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, and 4 is equal to 2 into 2, and 5 is equal to 5. There's 1 to 5. You know that the LCM is coming here. 4 is a 2 time here. It means is a 2 into 2, and 3 is a 1 time. So 3 and 5 is also 1 time. Or 1 is not available here. So it means to calculate this 2 into 2 into 3 and 5 is equal to 60. It means to the B is correct answer here. The least number that is divisible by the numbers from 1 to 5, there is answer is a B here. That's important here. And let's see next question. The question arrive here. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 8, both English. That's important here. The option 840, B 200, 2520, C 8, and D 420. That's important here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds for you. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Calculate the notebook here. That's important. You know that is the same question 1 to 8, and that is a 1 to 5. The 1 to 8 has included here. That's important. That's important. The LCM is taken here. 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 5 is equal to 5, and 6 is equal to 2 into 3. And 7 is equal to 7 only, and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It means the LCM is taken here. 2 power 3, 3 1, and 5 1 power, and 7 1. And calculate the both here. 2 into 2 into 2, and into 3 into 5 into 7. The coming here 840. That's important. And also show your screen this questions is solution here. That's important. The answer is here option A. Option A is correct. 840. 840. That's important here. You know that's important for the exam view here. Let's see next question. The next question here, for a sum integer p, every odd integer is of the form. You know that the question is clear and directly. For a sum integer p, every odd integer is all of the form. The option here 2p plus 1, b 2b, and C p plus 1, D is p. That's important here. You know that First of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question directly and importance also here for the MCQ regarding. For a sum integer p, every odd integer is of the form of. Question is clear. The p is nothing is odd integer here, and c p plus 1 nothing, and b 2p is never, but a 2p plus 1, that's important answer. That's important. For a sum integer p is every odd integer is form of 2p plus 1. That is the correct answer. Let's see next question. The next question that's important here. A question is clear. M square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if m is a an even integer, b an odd integer, c a natural number, d a whole number. That's a direct clear answer, you know that. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Write the answer for your notebook. And let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. M square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. If m is, that's m is. M is. That's important. Uneven integer is not applicable. That's answer. The a is nothing here. A whole numbers not applicable. And C, you thought a C answer, a natural number, that's wrong. Because 1 is plus. 1 plus mean there is a answer is a B on odd number. The odd integer is that's important answer is the answer is a B is correct here. M square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if M is on odd integer. Odd. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here, that is important. The question here, if the two positive integers a and b can be expressed as the a is equal to xy3 and b is the x4y2z. xy beginning prime number, the LCM AB is. The question is clear here. The option A y2, B x4 y2 z, and C x4 y3 and D x4 y3 z. That's important here. You know that. Come on, test your knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. What is the answer for this question here? You know that this question is clear here. Question is clear because a is equal to x and y power 3 and b is equal to here x4 and y2 and z. Okay. The LCM means lowest common factor. Lower common factor mean the take the a is a y3 is a lower common factor here, and b here x4 and z. It means a is option is totally wrong here. That's not applicable this answer. B x4 y2 z, that's not applicable because y is here 3 not a 2. Okay, and C x4 y3 is nothing applicable but because the z is not present here. This is lower common factor here. You know that lower common factor is a prime number here. The D is here right answer because x4 y3 z, that is a correct answer. Correct answer is a D. That's important here. And let's see next question. The next question that's important and question here, the product of non-zero rational and irrational number is. Question is clear. The product of a non-zero rational and irrational number is A always or rational, B rational or irrational, C away or irrational, and D 0. That's important MCQ here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for thought of this answer. You know that you have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear. That's important. Question is clear. The product of non-zero, the product of a non-zero rational and irrational number is. You thought a way or rational number. That is a wrong answer. That is wrong. Rational or irrational number thought you. That's also is a wrong. The answer is a C is correct here. A way irrational number. A way is irrational. The product of the non-zero rational and irrational number is a way irrational. Let's see next question. The next question is important. If the two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a x, y3 and b is here x4, y2 power and z, xy beginning prime number, then SCFAB is. You know that question is clear, but you confuse the same question arrive here. That's not a same question. The question is same, but asking here HCF, highest common factor, but other question is a lower common factor. That's an important understanding here. You know that is the option here x y square, b x4 y2 z, c x4 y3 and d x4 y3 z. You know that d is a totally eliminated because the D is the option of a LCM but not a SCF. It means to D is a eliminate here. There is only is a four options here. Four option only. These are three options here. Remind that's important. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you for solution these questions. Okay. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question you understand. The two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a x y3 and b is x power 4 y power 2 z and x is begin to the prime number, then SCFAB. This is important because you know that you analyze as a question here a here x only one time and y 3 time. It means to the b is x is a 4 time, but highest common factor it mean to x taken to the one time only. It mean option 3 a b c the only there is a x one times only, and y are taking the b option cu. There is a b integer is a x4 y2, but y here 3. Y here is 3 and b here y is a 2. It means the highest common factor is a y2. It means to the option A is correct. Option A is correct. That's important here. You know that you understand A is correct answer. X and y2. That's the correct answer. Let's see next question here. The next question there is important and question here. If the SCF of 408 and 1032 is expressed in the form of 1032 into 2 plus 408 into P, then the value of P is. That's important question for the exam view. Examiner many times ask for this type of question. Is not here. But first of all, check your knowledge. I given here 4 options: A5, B minus 5, C4, D minus 4. That's important. You know that you have a thought of your answer. Let us see what is the answer for this question. You know that's important. Take a notebook first of all and note this question. First of all, you have taken for the is a LCM for the 408. First of all, LCM is a 408. The LCM is coming here 2 into 2, 3 into 2 into 17. You know that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 17 is a 408 is a LCM. Okay, factorize here, and next factorize here 1032. 1032 is a factor here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 43 is the last here. You know that, understand? And the LCM is coming here. LCF is coming here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. Is equal to 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. It means 24. 24, that's important. You know that apply for this question easily. Is a 24 is equal to 1032 into 2 plus 408p. You know that, that's important. And here is important also the remainder part here. The SCF is the remainder part is only 1. Means 24 is equal to 1 is here. And 1032 is the remainder part is here. 43 into 2. Okay, 43 into 2, there is a reminder. And the next is a 408.
This topic was till this.
The 408
we will be doing the next
17.
topic in the next part. If you like it, then
17p.
please like, share, subscribe and share the video as
43 into 2
much as
is
possible. Do not think, subscribe
86.
and save in your
That's
mobile.
important.
Thank you.
Okay. The 70p is equal. 70p is equal. It means to the 86 upon 17. There is a cut for this question. The answer is coming here minus 5. That's important. It means to the option B is correct here. But I saw on your screen there is a solution. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. The question here. The number is a form of 4p plus 3, where a p is a whole number. Will away be? The option A even, option B odd, option C even or odd, and D multiple of 3. That's important. But first of all, check your knowledge for the MCQ. Come on. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Know that the question is clear. The number is the form of 4p plus 3, where is a p is a whole number, will away be. That is important. Even, odd, even or odd, D multiply by 3. That's important. The options is correct here. The option is correct is odd. Because 4p plus 3, the p is the whole number, will be a baby. A baby, there is the option B, odd number. The option goes way to the odd. Option B is correct here.
This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.